Hey, what's up, guys? This is the AM Trader. Just going through the recap for today on how I make about $79.42. This including the closing of the what do you call it swing trade. So let's get to it. Nothing special. Today is very choppy day. You guys can see this here, especially with ARPO. No volume at all until started even on intraday there's still not much volume. You guys can see this only make about 0.5%, 1%, 2%, 1.06%. So yeah, let's start with the ARPO. Which one was the first one? FLGC. Okay, I traded with FLGC in the beginning. FLGC, it was dropping below VWAP. I thought I was gonna be, staying above this support there, but didn't. Instead, it dropped lower. I didn't get filled all the way down to the bottom, but I was doing Fibonacci here. See if it's gonna from here to here. I was hoping I was gonna fill on this yellow line, which is 78.6% there, but didn't go all the way. If it did, I would have gotten filled, and that would have been brought my average down a little bit, and I would have get a bigger profit, but didn't go down. So with FLGC, made only 0.43% on that, $2.80. And then I start trading ARPO because everything else looks very garbage. And then yeah, let's go to ARPO. So ARPO, it was below the close of day yesterday. Didn't have a lot of volume. I didn't see this as didn't even look like it's gonna gap up. So I was not very positive on this, but I did saw that it bounced on this line. Now this line was created from yesterday, I believe. Let me see. Let's do 5 days. 5 days, yeah. So way. Oh no, never mind. Wait, is it? I guess not. Okay. So yeah, this was going down, right? There's downtrend from yesterday, and so I didn't have quite, I didn't have confidence in it, and so I was not very, focused on it. And so, and all the other stocks that was gapping up was not showing, good sign, a good pattern, nothing. Everything was so choppy, up, down, up. Look at this, up, drop, up, drop. Yeah, I mean, if you could draw a trend line, you could see that. But I mean, look at that, up. I got in right here, $1.91. It dropped a little bit, waited, picked up, and then $1.95, sold it, dropped, bought more, chased it. Let's go to $1.95 there. Yeah, I chased this one, thinking that it was gonna continue going up. Bought it and I sold it. I didn't sell it up here. Instead, I hold it longer. I was hoping that it was gonna continue going up higher, but didn't. Everything, like right here, it's already looking choppy. And that's why I was like, oh man, should I hold it longer? Those are the things that you battle in your mind as you trade. But yeah, didn't held longer. I probably could have made a little bit more than just $20 here. Where is that? Yeah, right about here. Could have been a bit more, but didn't go up as much as I wanted it to. It did go, of course, later on, but look at this, right? Choppy, so choppy, up, down, and you don't want to be caught up in this drop, right? And then you end up selling here because you don't think it's gonna has a potential of going up higher. So of course now it's up to 213. I mean, look at this, right? So crazy. But anyway, so that's ARPO. I traded here again. Got FOMO, right? It was spiking. It dropped. I thought this was the end, so I stopped watching this and focused on my swings, trying to get out. And yeah, it spiked, missed it, chased it. It dropped, dropped, and dropped lower. Kept on adding the whole way. And then as it bounced, I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna exit. And so I exit way too early, jump back up, and of course it dropped again, and now it's 213. So yeah, ARPO is really choppy today. FLGC, we already talked about it. Now let's talk about my swing. This is the reason why I sold it. Of course, yesterday I had Express as well in here, but oh man, 214. Anyway, EXPR, sold it yesterday. Right after I record, I saw that it was going down, and so I sold it as soon as possible. And let's look at the XPR real quick. And of course, ARPO is making me having FOMO again, missing out. Anyway, so here's the EXPR. This is when I was doing recap on the video. It went up. I was like, okay, this is good. This is it's good to hold. But look at the trend, right? If you draw a trend line, this thing is not holding. It didn't hold. So because it broke that trend line, I was like, okay, I need to get out, and I got out. Now with the other one, let's see today. With today, EVFM. I think the one I got out first was this Discovery. And so now this, when I was doing a review or recap from yesterday, this thing was going up right here, $34. I should have sold it, but I think at this time I was asleep actually. I woke up and it started dropping, and then I was like, okay, maybe there's a curl here, so I was like, maybe I should add more. So I added more, and it just continued dropping. Added more, get on the view app, add more, continue dropping. Add 100 shares right here, thinking that this was low, because this was showing higher lows there. I was like, okay, that's the perfect area. Instead, it kept on dropping. I was getting ready to cut my loss. I didn't want to add anymore. If it's going to drop lower, I would cut my loss down there. But instead, it jumped up and started going down again. And I was like, okay, I'll just wait. And then as it goes up, I sold it. Why I sold it? Because of this choppiness, right? There's a lot of choppiness, weakness going on. So if it did show upward pattern, maybe I'll stay a little longer, but it didn't look so well, so I just decided to sell it. So that's what is that? Discovery Inc. Next one was the one I sold next is EVFM. EVFM was doing great. I really bought it in the bottom here, and then as it dropped to VWAP area here, I added more. I didn't add right here, but again, I was asleep during this time right here, and it dropped lower. I didn't get into the VWAP. Instead, as it curls up, I got in, added more, and it goes up. And this morning on pre-market, it started dropping again. I was thinking of adding more down here, if it goes down lower. It didn't touch the bottom there, so instead this was my stop target. I was gonna add more right around here. Instead it just kept on going up, and I didn't hold longer. This puppy was one of the best one out of the four that I saw, but I was just not confident with that drop right there, so I just sold it right there for $1 gain of the day. But according to since the open, that's $7 gain. Next one was TPGY. Yeah, TPGY right here. I was in already quite high as it bounced, curled up on VWAP there. It goes up. I was doing a recap here, didn't sell it. Went to sleep, woke up, it was down below VWAP. I was like, oh crap. Okay, added 10 shares there, went up, dropped lower. I thought it was just gonna continue, because if this showed good momentum, right? If it stayed above this trend line, I would have stayed, right? But it didn't. Instead, it broke and went all the way down, all the way make lower lows. I did add some more here, double down, but kept on going down lower. I was gonna sell it 11, but I was like, I'll hold it a little bit longer. And sure enough, it start curling up and go up, and now I missed out all that move right there. But yeah, could have made about extra, what is it, $20, maybe about 10, 20, another 20, $40 maybe. And so yeah, I'm still not able to hold longer. But anyway, TPGY $21, sorry, made $21 since the open. So yeah, that's the recap for today, guys. Today made about 100% winning rate. Biggest profit is $21. So if you guys want to look at the percentage, 100%, everything is green today, which is a good day. If you look at the week, this week, well, this week's from 17th to now. 17 to now, 87%. Overall, I made about $416 this week. This month, I made about $594. So, yep, that's the trade for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully to see us again tomorrow. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the alert bell icon if you guys wanting to see more. Take care, guys. Have a good one and stay green.